In this video we are going to create an expert advisor for a sell trailing stop that is managed by the SAR oscillator, so let's see how we can do that with MQL5.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that uses the Parabolic SAR indicator to manage a trailing stop for a sell position. Let's see how we can do that. We start Metaeditor by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. First, we include the Trade.mqh library, which provides functions for trading operations. We then create an instance of the CTrade class named Trade. In the OnTick function, we begin by calculating the bid price using the SymbolInfoDouble function, which retrieves the current bid price of the symbol. The NormalizeDouble function is used to format the bid price to the number of digits specified by digits. Next, we check if there are no open positions using the PositionsTotal function. If there are no positions, we open a sell position of 0.10 lots, 10 microlots, at the current bid price. The stop loss is set to 150 points below the bid price, and no take profit is specified. We then create an array named mySAR to store the Parabolic SAR values. The ISAR function is used to define the Parabolic SAR indicator for the current symbol and period, with a step value of 0.02 and a maximum value of 0.2. The array set as series function is called to sort the array from the current candle downwards. The copy buffer function is used to copy the Parabolic SAR values into the mySAR array. We copy the values for the current candle and the two previous candles. We calculate the Parabolic SAR value for the last candle using the NormalizeDouble function and store it in the SAR value variable. The check SAR sell trailing stop function is called to manage the trailing stop for the sell position. We pass the bid price and the SAR value as parameters. Inside the check SAR sell trailing stop function, we loop through all open positions using the PositionsTotal function. For each position, we retrieve the symbol using the PositionsGetSymbol function. If the symbol matches the current symbol, we get the ticket number of the position using the PositionsGetInteger function. We then calculate the current stop loss using the PositionsGetDouble function. If the current stop loss is below the SAR value, or if there is no stop loss set, we move the stop loss to the SAR value using the PositionsModify function. Finally, we press F7 to compile the code. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If the compilation is successful, we go back to MetaTrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in MetaTrader, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester. Pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that uses the Parabolic SAR indicator to manage a trailing stop for a sell position with a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, I hope that you now see the first trades on your chart. If this was too fast, maybe the premium course on our website might be interesting for you. For now I say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.